So hey everyone, in today's video we are going to understand the index contributor tool in QuantSAP. So talking about index contributor, it is showing us contribution made by various different instruments towards an index. So either I can select Nifty or I can look for Bank Nifty. So for today's video we'll try to stick towards Nifty. So the scripts which are highlighted in green color, so these are showing you that all these instruments have contributed positively towards index. So talking about the negative contribution, so which is HUL, TCS, HDFC Life. So all these are the instruments which have contributed negatively towards Nifty. So talking about top negative contributor is Hindustan Unilever. I can see it has contributed 4.85 points negatively towards index. I can see what the current price of HUL is. So it is 2416. I can see the change in points format of HUL. So it is down today by 22.6 points. And also I can see the same change in HUL's price in percentage format. So which is down by 0.93. So talking about the positive contributors. So it is ICICI Bank, the top contributor today in Nifty. Contributed 23.25 points positively towards Nifty. I can see the current price, it's 599.2. Change in the ICICI Bank's future price. So the price has gone up by 14.35 points today, and the change in percentage, it happened by 2.45% positively. Similarly, I can see the price change in Nifty. So Nifty has gone up by 201 points, and change in percentage in Nifty is 1.36 points percentage. And similarly, I can see the current price of Nifty. Whereas I can see the sector-wise contribution made towards Nifty as well. So the sectors, whatever the sectors are written in respected colors, so the bars would be highlighting that contribution made by a particular sector. So talking about metal sector, it is highlighted in orange color over here. So it is contributing 22.46 points positively towards Nifty. And talking about the blue bar, so which is indicating private banks contribution towards Nifty, it has contributed 63.08 points positively towards Nifty. So if I wish to have a look back data, so let's say if I wish to check since 1st of March up till right now, which all instruments have contributed positively or negatively towards index. So I can see that part over here. So I'll go on to scripts. So Infosys, TCS, then it is ITC who has been the top contributor, followed by HUL and all that. And if I talk about the negative contributors, so it is HDFC Bank, Reliance and LT who have been dragging the index down since 1st of March. So I can check the same data for Bank Nifty as well. So yeah, I would say that was it from this video, which is index contributor. So we will be posting similar sort of videos regularly on YouTube. So you can hit the subscribe button, and also you can hit the bell icon. And apart from that part, you can refer QuantSAP to one of your friends. So wherein in that case, for each and every successful sign up, you earn 100 rupees reward points in your QuantSAP account, and your friend whom you have referred QuantSAP, he earns 500 rupees reward points in his QuantSAP account, which can be used for further purchases made in QuantSAP. So thank you all. See you all in the next video.